In its 64th year, the historical Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell is the oldest tennis tournament in Spain and one of the most prestigious clay court tournaments on the professional circuit. Spaniards had won 11 straight editions, with Rafael Nadal lifting the Conde de Godó trophy a record 8 times until Kei Nishikori ended the streak in 2014, repeating his success the following year. The champion from Japan explains his approach to the defense of the title.
There's no pressure, this is new year, new tournament, and it's going to be a tough tournament, like always. Try to play one match at a time, and I hope I can stay for a long time.
Recovering from the jubilation of clinching a record 9th title in Monte Carlo, Rafael Nadal's grip on the Barcelona silverware may have given way to a Japanese masterclass in recent times. The informed Spaniard is determined to continue his red-hot form in what is typically the most successful phase of his season.
It has been a very positive week last week in Monte Carlo, but now it's Barcelona. It's an important event for me, and always is tough physically to play 2 tournaments in a row. So I need to recover myself, but at the same time I need to practice to be ready here.
With over €2 million of prize money on offer and 500 valuable Emirates ATP ranking points to the champion, the stage is set for a highly competitive and exciting week of tennis. In an all-German affair, 18-year-old Alexander Zverev faced fellow countryman and qualifier Jan-Lennard Struff in the pick of the show court matches. In the 7th game of the opening set, Zverev's pounding ground strokes and attacking style earned him a break point.
And again, there's the hand skills from Zverev.
Taking the first set 6-4, Zverev broke in the 5th game of the 2nd set and had a chance for a second break at 2-4.
Now that's exquisite. Wonderful tennis from Alexander Zverev.
And in just a little over an hour, the teenage German reached match point.
It's another impressive performance from Alexander Zverev. Books himself into round 2 for the first time here in Barcelona.
Earlier in the day, Spain's Nicolas Almagro faced Russia's Timraz Gabashvili in their first career meeting. The 2013 finalist made the better start.
Oh, that's so good.
In the second, Gabashvili saved 2 match points in the 9th game as his confidence and ground strokes improved.
Loves dominating in that position.
Taking the second set with a tiebreak, Gabashvili broke in the opening game of the decider and raced to a 3-love lead. And in a match which lasted 2 hours and 10 minutes, the Russians' commendable comeback was almost complete.
That's a fine victory for Timraz Gabashvili, back from the brink.
Earlier in the day, the opening match on centre court featured the qualifier from Croatia, Franco Skugor, against Spain's Iñigo Cervantes in their first career meeting. Cervantes, who is number 57 in the Emirates ATP rankings, took the opening set 6-3. The second set fell in a similar fashion, with a single break of serve edging the Spaniard ahead. In just an hour and 17 minutes was able to book his berth in the second round with a 6-3, 6-4 victory. Action from the 2016 Trofeo Conde de Godó continues on Tuesday, with 5th seed Roberto Batista Agut launching his Barcelona campaign.